Hi guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Noctua NH-D15. I previously had the NH-D14 a really long time ago, and this is the successor to the D14. I took it in black because the price was really similar, a couple tiny dollars more. I got this for $139 Canadian, so that's probably $10 US. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this and install it on my computer that you may have seen a video of before. That computer had a water-cooled MSI RGB unit, closed loop, and it failed. I don't know why. My placement of the radiator wasn't like not bad, but somehow I guess like really bad temperatures right now. No matter how I place it, and I'm sure that pump is working because I can hear it. But there's some kind of issue with it, so I didn't bother. I just went the safer way with air cooled. The only question is gonna be if it's gonna fit my case, because my case is pretty small. It's pre-built, and I just YOLO'd it. If it doesn't fit, I don't mind. I'm just gonna simply not close the side panel of the case, you know, full ghetto style. I just want it to be cool, because a cooler CPU means a longer lifespan. This phone's really pretty packaged. Chromax by Noctua. I don't know what this is actually. Chromax. This is a fan. One of the fans that come with. Apparently, this pin at 1500 RPM maximum, which should be fairly quiet. Really well packaged actually. The box came in from Amazon just like this. Normally they just put it in another box, which they didn't do, so I was a bit concerned. But again, it's a air-cooled unit, so it's a bit less of a problematic situation, you know. Sorry for the camera shake. I don't actually have a stand. Wait a sec. Oh, that's weird. It's really in there. It's because of these rubbers was holding to the or sticking to the cardboard. High quality fans, that's why I chose Noctua. I know they have good quality products. I haven't had an issue with them before, so. This is one of the fans. I think that's the one that goes in the middle, I think. Does it say? No. Second NF PWA fan. Yeah. Second. So it should be the one where the RAM goes. I'll also make, if you look in the comments below, I'm gonna eventually post a video installing this. One thing I like about this from what I saw is that they provide a different mounting system for AM4 socket, which I'm using with my 50, 100, 5800X CPU, and those are the ones I'm gonna use instead of the like flimsy plastic thingy that I hate. Intel is better on that aspect. Their mounting systems are better. At least I feel like it's more trustable. These, I don't think I'm gonna need those for my, it's for Intel probably. I'm gonna need this for AMD, the gray ones apparently, and these long bolts with this, these like brackets. Wait a second. Okay. Sorry for the fingers. It comes with this. From what I heard, it's not full. It's not an actual one that you would buy normally. There's a bit less in it, which is fine for me. I don't mind. These splitter, I guess they're like reductors for fans, and a splitter, 1 and 2, and the clips for the fan, and this badge, metal badge. I'm surprised to see there's no other fan. It doesn't come with another fan, or does this fan come pre-installed? Sorry guys, my finger. I'm on a wide angle with this, so it's easier to poke my finger. Oh, okay, it opens like this basically. It's pretty black. I'm guessing the fan is in the middle straight away. Okay, that's on the bottom. There you go. Cardboard with the cover. I'm guessing there's a plastic film to remove. Yes, I guess. I'll just put this there so you can have a view. Don't want to stick my finger in there too much. Oh yeah. Ooh. I'm just gonna drop it like vertically so it doesn't scratch. Fan comes like this. Oh, it's a pretty unit. It's way prettier in black like this. And it's also smaller than I thought, to be honest. From what I remember, the NH-D15 was less wide but taller, I think. So check out my newest video I'm gonna post about this cooler being installed. If you feel like commenting, Or if you want to know additional information, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.